Hi. Ngiyathemba konke kukahle. Ngiyabonga Muzo ungijoyina for le video. Namhlanje is the 31st of Christmas, so Happy New Year, nyaka omusha. Masiqale ku-daily chart. Angithi siyenza i-breakdown so um namhlanje besitrade i-Amen model because it's a Wednesday and it's a bank holiday. So besiyenza i-back testing, live back testing bese trading amabhele yabona. So into esibukayo nakhona la ukuthi bekunani bekunama-candle body closure to the downside angithi. So sivele sa-decide ukuthi okay i-bearish day, so sayenzani saya ku-4 hour chart. Masifika ku-4 hour chart sabuka i-price action ukuthi yenzani, asibonanga next I think. So ngaya ku-1 hour ngathola le 1 hour SMT to the upside. So ngaya ku-15 minute ngifuna ukubona ukuthi i-price izowenzani, izoya up because angithi bekuyi-London session. So bengicabanga ukuthi mhlampe ngizothola i-trade eya phansi kucala, eya phezulu kucala for i-manipulation before iya phansi. So safika ku-15 minute bekungana SMT, saya ku-5 minute nakhona bekungana SMT, sayenzani saya ku-1 minute chart. So mesifika la sitholile i-setup mara ayihambanga the way besicabanga ukuthi izohamba. So nayi i-range yethu le 1 2 3 4 5 6, so itephile but then it went and broke below the low, so it was gonna invalidate i-bias yethu because i-confirm i-price market structure shift to the upside below yabona la. So vele besingeke siyithathe le trade because it would have invalidated our low la. But nakhona into engiyifundile ukuthi I mustn't rush to place a position. I must always look for a confirmation before ngiyenza i-position. Later on nakhona azamile check ama-trades bekungana set up or anything like that. Bekungana ama-SMT from the 15 to the 1 minute, so asithathanga i-trade yabona. Naku-5 minute nakhona bekungana SMT. So guys, ngiyabonga for ukuba nami lo nyaka lo, buka amavidiyo ami, ngibonga i-support yenu.